So if you want to know if your old biker test T210 can be repaired, definitely it can. We will still be repairing them for many a day. We also do some other equipment. We do these Phoenix ones. Some of the old Bowers and old Sibas we can help with. There's one of our old Buffalo 32s. Then there's a old Siba, old Bauer. Here's an old Bauer as well. So now the old machines, doesn't matter what model or what brand, give us a shout. I can't promise about the Chinese stuff. We've been struggling with them. But definitely with the older models and the T210s and so on, we can help.